Today I have for you this under cabinet lighting, but really you don't have to just use it under cabinets. You could put it inside shelves, bookshelves. I also use it in a hallway where I don't have any light. And these are great because you've got motion detection, you've got auto on. So you've got options. You also have 3 different lighting modes. Let me turn this on and show you here. So that's, you're going to power on there. And then you've got that day, cool, and there we go, warm. What that is, day and cool. You kind of see the change in the light there. And then you can also adjust the brightness. And to do that, you're going to press and hold this mode button. So that's your mode button there. That's the one that goes through the different colors. But it also adjusts the dim, the light to dim. So if you press and hold, you're going to see it's going to start to dim down. And then you can press and hold again, and it brightens back up again. So if you run it at a dimmer setting, you will get longer life out of these, but these are rechargeable. So in the set, inside the box here, you do get 6 of these lights. You do get the charger, then you can charge 3 at a time because you've got the type USB to type C charger, which allows you to do 3 at once. And then you also get a user manual that just goes over the light settings, but we just went over that. And then each light comes with these magnetic adhesive plates. So this part here is adhesive. And this is where you stick that, and then this light mounts right to that. So see that? Or you can stick this to any metal surface. So I think, yep, sticks on my fridge. So lots of options if you don't want to use the adhesive plates. You can do metal or these plates. But let me show you here. I've already got the plates installed, and we'll install 2 of them and show you. So I've already got 1 plate up there, and now I'm going to put the other one up. So what I want to do is just make sure there's lines on the back here that show you like where to line up the magnets, just to give you some guidance. And I want to line this up so it's right there. Press this, hold this for a few seconds. All right, so I've got the other plate installed now, but let me show you on the back here. They also have the instructions just on what the buttons do. So easy to reference if you forget. But if you want this, I have it on right now, but if you want it on auto on, you're going to press that again. That's going to do that little flash. And then that lets you know it's on the auto detection. So then the light will go off. Well, let's get it installed here. There we go. So now I have 2 mounted under the cabinet. Let me show you how the motion works. All right, the lights are off now. I'm going to walk towards the cupboards and we'll see the lights go on. And there you go. So that is how the motion detection works. Let me show you one more place. And I also have the motion detection set up right here. So you really have many options on where you want to use these motion detection lights. So again, these are the under cabinet lights, but really so much more by Amethyst. I love them. I highly recommend them.